What's up, guys? Daryl from Smart Shooters, and today I want to talk to you about the Michigan CPL process. In the state of Michigan, you have to have a concealed pistol license to carry a firearm in your vehicle or even tucked in your shirt. Anything where the firearm is not visible is considered concealed. I want to teach you today on what is the process to get your concealed pistol license. Now, the first thing you want to know is in Michigan, you want a CPL and not a CCW. All right. In the state of Michigan, which is all I'm referring to, a CCW is a felony of carrying a concealed weapon without a license. All right. If you get caught carrying without a license, they're probably going to try to charge you with a CCW. In Michigan, you want a CPL, which is a concealed pistol license. Let's dive into how do we go about getting our CPL. Now, the first thing we want to do is actually take a CPL class. Smart Shooters, of course, we offer CPL classes. It is our concealed carry and home defense fundamentals course. That course is provided to us courtesy of my USCCA certification. I love the USCCA. They make a curriculum that I feel like is relatable to more people versus some other organizations that I've been or looked into getting certified through. In this class, we're going to cover everything from making a personal and home protection plan to understanding the different types of guns and calibers, the universal safety rules. We're going to talk about proper grip and stance when you're shooting a firearm. We're going to talk about the rules that govern the use of deadly force. That means we're going to talk about what does it take legally for you to actually use your firearm. We're going to talk about what to do before, during, and after a self-defense incident. We're going to talk about gear, gadgets, holsters, lights, etc. There's some AR-15 and shotgun stuff we'll cover. And then we'll talk about next steps on what you should do after the class. We're also going to have a presentation from a Michigan self-defense attorney. And he's going to cover everything from Michigan marijuana laws and guns to how to purchase a gun to how to get your license, how to renew it. He's going to cover all of that type of stuff. And last but not least, I am going to have someone from the USCCA or from Delta Defense, who's the service provider for the USCCA. He's going to come in and talk to us about membership with the USCCA as well as self-defense liability insurance. If you don't know about it, you better get hit. Now, once we finish all of that, we're going to the gun range because you gotta apply what you just learned. That's right. We're going to take whatever your favorite pistol is and we're going to take it to the gun range and we're going to put some work in. All right. We're going to run some drills. We're going to practice those fundamentals that we just learned. Proper grip, proper stance, sight alignment, sight picture. We're going to work on all of that stuff. Side note, Smart Shooters does have gun rentals for free. You just got to pay for ammo. I'm just saying. After all of that, your next step is to take the certificate that you're going to get after class and you're going to take it to the county clerk's office. We're going to go in the county clerk and we're going to ask for a CPL license application. Once we get our CPL application, we're going to fill it out. It costs $100 to submit your application. Once you're done there, they're going to give you a receipt that you have to take to get fingerprinted. After you go from the county clerk's office, I go right over to the Kent County Sheriff's Office, which is 701 Balsh, right behind the county jail if you're in Grand Rapids, Michigan. But you guys can look up where to get fingerprinted for CPL applications. And they fingerprint you on the spot. You have to have your CPL application receipt. They fingerprint you and they'll take that and give you a fingerprint receipt. Once you get that, save that fingerprint receipt. From the moment you get fingerprinted, they have 45 days to give you a CPL or a reason to deny you. If you don't get a denial or a license in the mail in 45 days, on day 46, your fingerprint receipt becomes your license. So you absolutely want to hang on to that receipt. But if things go how they're supposed to go, and 95% of the time it does, you'll get your CPL in the mail. It will look like a driver's license, and it will be your license to carry a firearm. From there, you can carry your self-defense firearms concealed legally. Anything where the gun is not visible is considered concealed in a lockbox, in my glove box. Side note, do not leave your gun in the car. Your car is not a holster or a safe. Believe it or not, it's just that simple, right? You take an 8-hour class, 5 hours in the class, 3 on the range. You get a certificate, take that certificate to the county clerk, get a receipt, take that receipt to go get fingerprinted at the county sheriff. Save that receipt, wait for your license to come in the mail, and if it doesn't come in 45 days, on day 46, that receipt becomes your acting license until you get one or you get denied. That's simple. If I helped you out today, man, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to like this video. I need you to subscribe to this channel. Then I need you to hit that notification bell so you never, ever, ever miss an upcoming Smart Shooters video. Let me know in the comments if I helped you out. I'll check y'all next video. Peace. Side note, best gun of all time. In case anybody was wondering. Haha.